In this video, I will compare the Qinux Vultriox to traditional trimmer heads to see if this accessory actually lives up to the hype. When you look at the standard nylon line trimmers most of us use, the biggest contrast is the constant need for replacements and the struggle with thicker vegetation. The Vultriox offers a heavy-duty alternative using wear-resistant steel cables designed for high durability. While a standard plastic head might snap against a rock, this steel cable head is built for more power in every cut, allowing you to remove moss and roots in one go. A major trade-off with heavier metal attachments is often weight, but the Vultriox is specifically marketed as ultralight to ensure that handling remains fatigue-free for longer sessions in the garden. Comparing this to other market options, the standout feature here is the broad compatibility with most brush cutters, making it a versatile upgrade for your existing tools. It provides a streamlined cut that effortlessly handles thick underbrush and grass where traditional strings fail. Users like Martin have noted it is a total game changer because they no longer have to stop every 5 minutes to change the thread. This is a significant win for anyone with neglected gardens or tall grass, as the pinpoint accuracy reaches every corner and edge that usually requires multiple passes. Whether you are dealing with uneven terrain or stubborn roots, this tool minimizes effort while maximizing performance. If you are tired of the hassle of traditional trimmer lines, this might be the best investment for your yard maintenance. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you prefer steel cables or classic nylon for your lawn care.